a solitary jewel suspended in the infinite blackness of space, teeming with life, forests, oceans, mountains, and cities filled with the hum of human endeavor. For billions of years, this delicate orb has cradled life, protected by an invisible barrier, the atmosphere, that shields us from the unrelenting forces of the cosmos. Yet, no matter how much we marvel at the beauty and wonder of our planet, we are constantly reminded of one undeniable truth: Earth is fragile. We live in an age of extraordinary technological advancement. We've unlocked the mysteries of the atom, touched the surface of distant planets, and even ventured beyond our solar system. But for all our accomplishments, we are still vulnerable to the vast, unpredictable universe that surrounds us. And among the greatest dangers, lurking in the cold void beyond our atmosphere, are the asteroids, silent travelers in the cosmos, carrying within them the potential to alter the course of history. One such object is Apophis, an asteroid with a name that evokes ancient terror, a name rooted in chaos and destruction. In 2029, Apophis will pass close to our planet, but for a time, we feared that it might strike. The possibility of a collision, though now considered highly unlikely, forces us to ask, what would happen if this asteroid, or one like it, hit Earth? Named after the Egyptian god of destruction, Apophis is a reminder that the universe is full of dangers we can barely comprehend. This asteroid, measuring about 1,100 feet in diameter, carries with it the potential to release an unimaginable amount of energy, more than 880 million tons of TNT in a single instant, a force that could alter life as we know it. If it were to strike, its impact would leave a mark not only on the Earth, but on the entire history of humanity. While modern technology has given us the tools to monitor and track such objects, it also brings an uncomfortable realization: we are not invulnerable. Our planet, floating peacefully in space, is constantly at the mercy of objects we can barely predict or control. Yet, despite all of our advancements, we remain susceptible to a cosmic force we cannot fully tame. Apophis's discovery in 2004 sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Initial calculations suggested that the asteroid might collide with Earth in 2029, sparking fears of a cataclysmic event. At that time, it felt as though our destiny was being rewritten by the sheer randomness of the cosmos. But after further study, astronomers determined that Apophis would miss Earth by a safe margin, about 19,000 miles away. Yet, despite the reassurances, this near miss would forever alter our understanding of the potential threats that lie beyond our planet. And although Apophis may not strike, it serves as a warning, a stark reminder that the universe is filled with countless objects like it, drifting through space with the potential to change the fate of entire civilizations. Apophis's size, though small in comparison to some other celestial objects, carries the power to devastate. At 1,100 feet across, it's large enough to pose a real threat to our planet, with the energy to trigger massive destruction. It's a cosmic bullet, hurtling through the stars, its future path shaped by forces far beyond our control. Let's imagine, for a moment, that things were different, that Apophis didn't just pass us by, but struck Earth with full force. What would the impact look like? If Apophis were to collide with Earth, the effects would be devastating, far beyond anything humanity has experienced. The moment it hits, a massive explosion would occur, releasing energy equivalent to the combined power of hundreds of nuclear bombs. This would create a massive shock wave that would travel around the planet, leveling cities, causing seismic tremors, and triggering fires that would rage uncontrollably for miles. The initial devastation would be immense, but the true horror would come in the aftermath. The impact would send enormous plumes of dust and debris high into the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight for weeks or even months. This impact winter would cause global temperatures to drop dramatically, disrupting ecosystems and agricultural systems that depend on sunlight. Without the warmth of the sun, crops would wither and die. Famine would spread. Ecosystems would collapse. The very foundations of human civilization would be shaken to the core. Our ability to survive would be pushed to its limits, and the Earth's delicate balance could be forever altered. For humanity, this would be an existential crisis. Our technological infrastructure, our cities, our communications, our networks, would crumble under the weight of such an event. It would be a struggle for survival, a fight against not just the aftermath, but the overwhelming sense that our place in the universe was never as secure as we thought. Despite these vivid scenarios, the truth is that the likelihood of Apophis hitting Earth in 2029 is extremely low. As our understanding of the asteroid's trajectory has improved, we've learned that Apophis will pass us by at a distance of 19,000 miles, relatively close in cosmic terms, but far enough to be safe. Yet, even as this specific threat passes, we must acknowledge that it's not an isolated case. There are thousands of near-Earth objects, asteroids and comets, that continue to orbit the Sun, some of which could pose a risk in the future. Our ability to detect these objects early and understand their behavior is vital. And as Apophis's approach reminds us, the possibility of an asteroid strike is something we cannot afford to ignore. The fact that Apophis is so well monitored is a testament to the progress we've made in planetary defense. But this is just the beginning. Our tools and technology must continue to evolve if we are to stay ahead of these cosmic threats. But what if one day the threat is real? What can we do to prevent such a disaster? The answer lies in planetary defense. In the wake of Apophis's close call, scientists around the world have dedicated themselves to developing strategies for deflecting asteroids that might be on a collision course with Earth. One method, known as the kinetic impactor technique, involves sending a spacecraft to collide with an asteroid, transferring momentum and altering its trajectory, pushing it away from Earth. Another more drastic option is to use nuclear devices to disrupt the asteroid's path. While controversial, a nuclear explosion could be the most effective tool in averting a global catastrophe. These methods may seem like science fiction, but they are the subject of serious research, and they may one day be the key to saving our world. Yet, time is the most important factor. The earlier we detect an asteroid, the more options we have. Without early warning, our ability to respond is limited. Detecting, tracking, and predicting the movements of near-Earth objects must become a global priority. Planetary defense is not a task for one nation, but for all of humanity. In a world that often seems divided, the potential threat of an asteroid impact forces us to unite, to share knowledge and resources. Should the unthinkable happen, should an asteroid like Apophis or another one threaten Earth, the response must be global, coordinated, and swift. Our survival will depend on it. While we may be able to protect ourselves from a single asteroid, we must also be prepared for the future. We must ask ourselves, what happens if a larger, more unpredictable asteroid crosses our path? For now, Apophis will pass us by, and Earth will remain safe. But the universe is vast, filled with objects that we can barely comprehend. Some of them may be too small to detect early, others too fast to track. The truth is, we cannot predict every danger that lies ahead. But we can prepare by continuing to invest in planetary defense, by fostering international cooperation, and by understanding that our survival depends on our ability to face the unknown. The future of Earth is uncertain, but as long as we keep looking up, as long as we keep advancing our knowledge and our technology, we have a chance, however small it may seem, to protect this fragile planet we call home.